guys, it's Jennifer and welcome back to my Flagstaff home. I just wanted to show you a wreath I made today, and then I'm going to give you a link to a video that shows you how to make it if you're interested in doing that. But let me go ahead and show you. So this is the wreath, and it's actually made with terracotta pots. I got these from a craft store in 3 different sizes, and then I bought a couple of sprigs of flowers from the flower section at Michael's. One of them had these white flowers and these small pink flowers, and then another one had longer sprigs with these darker flowers and some of these fronds. And then I bought a couple sprigs of this ivy, and then cut them shorter so that I could make them work in this thing. And then inside the larger pots is some floral foam, and then of course there's this Spanish moss in there too. This is the one I made not last year but a few years ago, and then now with our new house we have 2 doors, and so we needed to have another one so that I didn't have them, the flowers don't match, but the arrangement of the pots kind of does. So anyway, if you are interested in learning how to make this, I'm going to link the video that I put up several years ago showing how I made the first one, and hopefully you can give this a try. Thanks for watching my Flagstaff home. If you're not a current subscriber, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.